Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new StoneStream EcoPower shower head. Let's go ahead and get this new shower head up there and see the improvement. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off first, as well as this. Okay, our new shower head is ready to be attached. And we have our wall-mounted shower head. It's nice and easy. Then we have our handheld shower head. There we go. Very easy. Now let's give it a try. Wow, that's amazing. All right, that is really good water pressure. So we have massage, jetting, and rainfall. There's even a nice little stop button here that allows the water to be stopped while still maintaining the temperature of the water. So if you have a fur baby like I do, this is a game changer and will save you so much water. Another really cool thing about this shower head is that it uses 3 types of mineralized stones. These stones soften hard water and filter dirt and chlorine, which are not good for your hair and skin. A typical shower head allows calcium, limestone, and chalk to enter and remain on your skin. This can cause clogged pores, dryness, flakiness, itchiness, and even can cause breakouts. This can also erode the elasticity of your hair and leave it feeling rough and dry. No thank you. So I'm so excited to use this new shower head, and I think that you should too. Thanks for watching.